Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to freeze columns in Google Sheets using the latest 2026 method. If you're working with a wide spreadsheet, freezing columns lets you keep important information, such as names or ID numbers, visible while scrolling horizontally. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer or laptop and go to *sheets, Google.com*. Sign in to your Google account if needed, then open the spreadsheet where you want to freeze columns. Once your spreadsheet is open, decide which column or columns you want to keep visible. In most cases, people freeze the first column because it contains names, categories, or other key information. To freeze the first column, click the **View** menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Freeze asterisk. You'll see several options, including *no columns **, *1 column **, *2 columns **, and up to current column **. If you only want to keep the first column visible, click *1 column **. Google Sheets will immediately freeze that column. Now, when you scroll to the right, the first column will remain fixed on the left side of the screen. If you need to freeze more than one column, choose *2 columns **, or first select the column you want to stop at, then go to **View** Freeze**, and click up to current column **. For example, if you select column D, choosing this option will freeze columns A through D. There's also a quicker method. In the top left corner of the spreadsheet, you'll see a small gray freeze bar. Drag the vertical freeze bar to the right until it reaches the column you want to freeze, then release it. Google Sheets will automatically apply the change. To make sure it worked, scroll horizontally across your spreadsheet. The frozen columns will stay in place while the rest of the columns move. If you ever want to remove the frozen columns, click *View**, select *Freeze**, and then choose *No columns **. This will return your spreadsheet to normal scrolling. Freezing columns is especially useful for employee lists, customer databases, sales reports, inventory trackers, and any spreadsheet where you need to keep important labels visible while viewing large amounts of data. And that's it. That's how to freeze columns in Google Sheets in 2026. It's a simple feature that makes navigating large spreadsheets much easier and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.